Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be getting this door panel, the inside door panel off, which includes these, your handles, and we're also going to get the outside handle off, as well as the key, the lock cylinder. Alright, let's get to it. First, you're going to get these two screws off under here. So you get this off. And then there's two screws in here holding this handle on. Or armrest, whatever it is. And that comes right off. Then we're going to want to take these two screws out. Alright, now we're going to use one of these Torx bits to get this handle off. And there's a little washer in there, a little plastic washer. And then, next, there should be 4 screws at the bottom that hold the this on. We're gonna get it all done, all 4 of those off. Alright, now that you got those 4 screws on the bottom, we should just be able to pull this off by pulling on these on the corners. The wire harnesses seem to be pretty far down, so we're just going to set this to the side for now. Alright, now we're going to get the door handle out, the outside door handle. So it's just a 3/8 bolt, 2 bolt, 2 on each side of it. Alright, so it's kind of dark in there, but hopefully you can see that's one bolt right there. And the other one is right up there. Right there. So there's one. Alright, got the two bolts out. Now we're just going to pull the handle off here. Just like that. This gasket came off with it. This one we're going to have to pull off ourselves. Yep. Now your handle's off. Next we're going to be getting the lock cylinder out. And how we're going to do that is we're going to pull this little metal piece that holds. Let me show you. So you can see the lock cylinder right there. There's a little metal piece holding it in. That's this piece right here. So we're going to pull that out with a pair of pliers. Alright, here's our wonderful pair of knot pliers. There it is. So now that's out. Should be able to pull the lock cylinder out. There you go. That's how you get your lock cylinder out. If you buy a new one of these off like BJ's Off-Road or something, these they come a little longer, so you have to cut it down. So make sure you keep this if you're replacing them, so you can measure that to line it back up with the new one. Alright, I got this back on, and I'm going to leave the rest of the parts off because I'm going to have to take this back off later anyway. So that is how you get that off, and your lock cylinder and your door handle. And if you ever need to, I'll get two hands. If you ever close your door without the handle on it, all you gotta do is press in on this. That's how you can open it. Alright, now we're going to remove this on the back door. It's a very similar process, except you start with these two screws instead of the two screws underneath on the reflector on the front door. Take this off, it's the same. Same washer. These 2 screws. And then 2 Phillips head screws at the bottom. Alright, now we're just going to pull on the corners again. Get all these clips out. There you go. Now it's off. Now we're going to get this handle off as well. Same 2 3/8 bolts. Pointing it in. Well, that was 2, but I dropped it in the door. We'll get a magnet and find that later. Now we're just going to do the same as the front. Pull this off. Again, this gasket came off. This one we can pull off yourself. So that to the side, and now your back door is now disassembled. Alright, I got this side off as well. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel for more content on this car and other cars. And thanks for watching.